Okay, hello mga anak. So, ang lesson natin ay continuation ng adding integers. So, ngayon naman ay subtracting integers. So, ang rule naman ng subtracting integers ay 3 C's. C is for copy, change, and change. So, first is copy the first term, change the operation, and change the sign of the last term. Okay, our first example is negative 3 minus positive 5. So, we have negative and positive. So, i-apply lang natin yung rules ng ating subtracting integers, 3 C's. So, una, copy natin yung first term. So, copy natin si negative 3. So, ngayon, next is change the operation. So, from negative, magiging, or from subtract, magiging positive. And then, change the sign of the last term. Ano bang sign ng positive 5? Ay, anong sign ng 5? So, positive. So, change natin siya into negative. Ngayon, apply ulit natin yung adding integer. So, pag magkaibang sign, subtract. Pag magkaparehas, add. So, we have negative 3 plus negative 5. So, pare silang sign. So, i-add natin siya. 5 plus 3 is 8. And then, copy natin yung sign na negative 8. Or para mas madaling technique, kung ayaw nyo i-apply si 3C, so negative 3 yung una nating term. So, yung negative na to or yung operation na minus, so gawin nyo na siyang sign agad ng pangalawang term. So, ayan, negative 5. So, naging negative 5. So, magiging negative 3 and then negative 5. So, pag pare sila ng negative, anong gagawin? Add, kaya naging negative 8. Okay, next example natin is 3, positive 3 minus negative 5. So, apply natin yung 3C. So, first C is copy the first term. So, 3. So, anong operation? Minus. So, gawin natin siyang change the operation, magiging plus. So, anong sign ng negative? So, magiging positive. Okay, so ngayon, positive 3 and positive 5. So, same sign, add. So, the answer is positive 8. Para mas mabilis intindihin, kapag may nakita kayong negative, so the operation is minus and then the sign is negative, pag magkatabi, it turns into positive. Kaya siya naging positive 5. Okay, thank you. Sana may natutunan kayo.